Guys, drop everything. I just scored leaked shots of the 2027 Chevy Silverado X2 1500, straight from a guy who swears it's still hidden in a Colorado test facility. This ain't your grandpa's Silverado. This is the truck that's about to own every driveway from Texas to the Rockies. Inside word, straight up secret Project X2 collab between Chevy's Detroit crew and a shadowy Boulder adventure tech outfit. Why build it? America's weekends went insane. Floods, fire season, trail runs, boat tows, and soccer practice all in one truck. Regular pickups tap out. This beast was built to do it all without breaking a sweat. Today we're starting inside the cabin, ripping open the tech, then hitting the outside, power, safety, price, and the real talk. If you're already hooked, smash that like button. Let's roll.
Well, what's wild is climbing inside this thing. It's like someone took a luxury lounge and dropped it into a rock crawler. Two-tone gray leather seats with that premium feel, real wood trim glowing under soft lighting. You forget you're in a truck until you glance at the massive screens. Here come the three future tech bombs that make this X2 unfair. First, PulseCell solid-state hybrid battery. 8 minutes at any fast charger and you're back to 80%. No more sitting at the pump while your buddies laugh. Second, TerraVision holographic AR windshield. It paints glowing green trail lines right on the glass, shows exactly where your trailer tires are, and highlights rocks or potholes 300 feet ahead. You literally see the perfect path before the tires touch it. Third, MorphRide AI suspension. The truck reads satellite data, cameras, and vibration patterns to predict the next whoop or washout and adjusts damping and height in milliseconds. It turns a beat-up fire road into a magic carpet. The giant touchscreen and digital dash? Stupid intuitive. Swipe once and you're from off-road maps to Spotify. Red accent lighting at night makes it feel like a sci-fi cockpit. But let's be real, that glossy screen on a 105-degree Arizona day is gonna fight you unless the anti-glare is perfect. Like what you're hearing? Drop X2 mode in the comments and subscribe. We're just getting started. Now here's the thing, that aggressive front end, it hints at aero tricks that slice through 70-mile-per-hour winds like a fighter jet while still letting air smash the brakes when you're towing. Tires? Huge 35-inch mud terrain sitting under flared arches with 13 inches of ground clearance, enough to crawl over fallen trees or flooded creeks without drama. The whole stance is lifted on purpose. You can see the suspension travel ready to eat boulders the size of beer coolers. Rear, that full-width light bar and bold Chevrolet lettering aren't for show. They're tied to a frame that'll shrug off 12,000 pounds of towing like it's nothing. Silver paint so clean it pops against the black wheels and bumpers, winch-ready front, skid plates everywhere. This thing looks like it already conquered the Rockies and is coming back for the rest of America. It all ties back to Project X2, built to handle the crazy new American weekend where one truck has to do everything. Moving on to the part that'll make rivals sweat, the guts. Rumored 6.2-liter V8 hybrid cranking out 460 horsepower and 520 pound-feet. 0 to 60 in about 5.8 seconds even loaded. Tow rating, 12,000 pounds. Top speed governed at 120 miles an hour because sometimes you need to hustle that camper across 3 states. Off-road, it drops into crawl mode at 1.5 miles per hour with lockers that snap in instantly. 35-degree approach angle and MorphRide magic mean it floats over whoops like it's on rails. Fuel economy? They're claiming 27 mpg combined on the hybrid side. I'll believe it when I see it, but even close makes this the daily driver that still plays in the dirt. Safety? TerraVision doesn't just map trails, it projects virtual energy shields in the windshield milliseconds before impact, giving the airbags extra time. 360 cameras with night vision, sharp enough to spot a coyote at midnight. Practical? 5.8-foot bed, power tonneau, 240-volt outlet for tools or a fridge. But here's the honest bit. Rear legroom gets tight if you're over 6'3". Tall passengers in the back will be complaining after a couple hours on the highway. Pricing? Leaked numbers put base around $68,000 US. Loaded X2 edition, $84,000. Not cheap, but still undercuts loaded rivals while giving you way more toys. 5-year warranty, free over-the-air updates, and those PulseCell packs are supposed to last 250,000 miles easy. Long-term, parts everywhere, from California to Florida. Strengths? Insane off-road tech, stupid quick charging, and that lifted silver look that turns heads everywhere. Many gearheads I talk to are raving. Finally, a Chevy that's both trail king and family hauler without the compromise. But others gripe the touchscreen is too much screen and not enough buttons when you're wearing gloves bouncing down a wash. One reviewer straight up said the holographic overlays feel like a video game until you actually need them on a dark trail. Then they're lifesavers. Me? I'd trade my current truck for this tomorrow. It's the first 1500 in years that actually feels like it was built for real America. So there it is, the 2027 Chevy Silverado X2 1500. The brutal Chevy truck ready to own the America market. Now the big question to light up the comments, would you daily this X2 beast, or is it just too extra for your needs? Drop your honest take below. I'm reading every single one. If you want more leaked Chevy battles, smash subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay savage out there.